Hello and welcome to my channel, Zippo Lion's Den. This time I'm going to be doing part 2 of my 1960s Zippo collection. And it starts out with 1965. There we go. And that one is a International Service Life lighter. Bring up the bottom. Can't really make it out too well. Come on. You can see there's just the one dot on that one side for 1965. That one, not too bad of a hinge. Nice tight insert. Time appropriate insert, even though you can't really see much on this side anymore. And like I had said in my previous video, I didn't pay more than $40 for each one of these lighters. Most of them I paid around $20 to $30 for. This is a 1966 Bliss company. And as you can tell, that's when they switched from doing the dots on the bottom to just doing the straight up and down slash marks. This one also has a time appropriate lighter, well, insert for the lighter. And now this one is one of my favorite ones. It is a 1967 Plenko Plastics Engineering Company out of Sheboygan, Wisconsin. I used to make industrial coating at a place in Manitowoc, and we used to use a lot of the Plenko resin. So this one's is a little bit, it's kind of personal. Time appropriate insert, red felt pad, which is also appropriate for the time. Not a bad hinge. Ended up finding that one at a local antique mall that's no longer here. This one is my 1968, I believe. As you see, only has 3 marks on each side for 1968. This is the Manitowoc Crane Company. Not a bad hinge. Time appropriate insert, which I think is really cool. I also have a 1974 Manitowoc Zippo, which is one that I have recently gotten back from getting fixed from Zippo. This one is also a local one from Lakeside Foods in Manitowoc. It is a 1969. Not a bad hinge. Time appropriate insert. If I remember right, this is the original insert. And then I'm going to finish it off with my 1970, which I'm not sure you'll be able to make the name out on here. But this was actually a gentleman who had served in Vietnam. 9/24/71, Dale Prochaska. At least I was told this was his lighter in Vietnam. I'll take their word for it. I had to replace the hinge pin. Time appropriate insert. It's a really nice lighter. This one I paid $10 for at American Antiques and Jewelry in Green Bay. And that wraps up part 2 of my 1960s Zippo collection. And again, if you like what you see, please hit the like button and subscribe. Anything you can do will help build my new little channel here. And I appreciate you watching my videos. Thank you.